I'm ready for this too.
For what?
Milky Flakes. Do you want a delicious breakfast? If so, you should have Milky Flakes.
Data shows that 30% of people that do not eat Milky Flakes die in the next minute, and the next 70% get sick and probably die.
It's Milky Flakes. Hallelujah! It's Milky Flakes.
Milky Flakes are so good, you can't resist them.
These are so delicious. I want some.
No!
If you order Milky Flakes in the next 5 seconds, you can get a free cow. Oops, time's up. Sorry.
Some food.
Here you go, hobo.
Now that I'm rich because of Milky Flakes, I have a mansion full of hay.
Milky Flakes, they're utterly delicious.
Milky Flakes are only for people and cows. Do not attempt to give Milky Flakes to any other animals.
Goodbye.